below the logo on the sidebar, we have this link to sample page. If we click on it, it's just an example of a page, a sample page that comes preloaded. And so we can put in our own pages right here. And so a lot of websites will have the navigation bar kind of at the top where you click on different links to take you to different parts of the site. For this theme, it's right here on the side. And so we're going to delete this sample page and then put in a couple of our own actual pages. So to do so, we'll go back to the dashboard, click on Pages, All Pages, and the sample page, we're just going to hit Trash. Delete that one. And then we're going to add, first page we'll add is an About Me page. So let's hit Add New. And we'll just type in here About Me. And then I'm just going to add a picture of myself. So upload this image. Insert it. Let's make it large or full size. Okay, then below it I'll add a little blurb and hit publish. Okay, now let's go back to the site, and you can see the sample page is gone. Now we just have this link to the About Me page. If we click on that, it takes us to this About Me page with this image and a short little bio about myself.